All right, I'm going to show you how I would use the desmos calculator, graphing calculator, to create a graph for problem 4. It says Priya starts with $50 in her bank account. She then deposits $20 each week for 12 weeks. So y equals, she starts with $50 in her bank account, and she deposits $20 each week for 12 weeks. So plus $20 each week, where X represents the number of weeks. Y represents the total amount in her account. In fact, I'm going to say this right here. So Y represents the amount. Oops. And I'm going to do this a note too. X. That's the number of weeks. Okay. In the problem, it says she deposits $20 each week for 12 weeks. So I need, let's see, I need to see the X going from 0 to 12. So this is fine. I'm going to add a label here for my x-axis. X represents the number of weeks. So I'm going to add that to my x-axis, and you can see right here that it's got, oops, you can see where it says number of weeks right there. I'm going to pull this back out. Y represents the total amount in her account. Okay. And now what I need to do, because this red, I don't want it red. If you push and hold, I want green. You can change the color. It doesn't matter what color you do. I just want this green today. So I'm going to my settings. Okay, so I need the y-axis. Oh, not the x-axis. X-axis is fine. I need the y-axis to go from maybe -2. And then I can just, and you can see that now, you can see that it starts at -2 on the bottom. But I need it to go a lot higher than that. I don't know. Let's say 300 and see what happens. Actually, now I can't see the bottom very good, so I'm going to make this -10. Is that better? Yeah, that's a little better. And my x-axis maybe -2, and maybe to 16. All right, that looks a little better. If I want to label some particular points, nope, I don't want to do that here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to save my graph, and this is a graph for homework number 2. And now that I've saved my graph, I always have it here in my little account here. So if I need to go back to it, I can always find it. Oops. But you don't have to do that. I just think it's a good idea. And then I'm going to export the image. And just to be clear, this little share graph right here, export the image. This is perfect. Line thickness. Oh, cool. That makes it a little brighter. That's too much. Yeah, I think this is fine. I'm going to download it as a PNG. And I'm going to call this homework number 2. And I'm going to put it in my Algebra 1 file, Unit 1. And I'm going to save it. Okay. And then I think you'll be able to see this. I'm going to insert the graph here. I'm going to insert a picture. And I'm going to insert the right one. I put it in Algebra 1. I put it in Unit 1. Homework number 2. Cool. And then I'm just putting it right here. And I can delete that because I have inserted it. Okay. I hope that is helpful. See you soon.